Which cybersecurity stock is the best one to buy, Zscaler or CrowdStrike? I'm going to answer that question in this video, so let's get right into it. So far in 2023, Zscaler and CrowdStrike stocks are up 19.87% and 17.4%. So robust growth already just in the first 2 months of the year. Is there more room for these companies to grow? Let's take a look. So looking at revenue, annual revenue on the top here for Zscaler and CrowdStrike, you see very nice upward growth here, going from less than 400 million in revenue in 2019 for each of them, and rising exponentially with CrowdStrike taking the lead, soaring to 1.45 billion in revenue in 2022, and Zscaler at 1.091 billion in its most recent fiscal year. Now, looking at revenue growth, not overall revenue, um, they're a lot closer, right? Especially in the most recent quarter, 52% growth for CrowdStrike, 54% growth for Zscaler. Zscaler's revenue growth has been more consistent, while CrowdStrike's revenue growth started out higher and has been trending lower. Interesting, right? So Zscaler more consistent, CrowdStrike on the way down. That's a bit more troubling if you're a CrowdStrike investor. This downward trend is troubling. We would like to see stabilization here and protection from further decreases. The next metric I wanted to compare these two cybersecurity stocks on is operating profit margin for the trailing 12 months. And looking at this metric, CrowdStrike shows its dominance here with its operating margin soaring to negative 7.48%, while Zscaler has moved downward and recently moving upward, but still negative 26.49%. So both of these companies are negative in terms of operating profitability. However, CrowdStrike is significantly better both in terms of the trend and also the overall level, because negative 7 is better than negative 26 when you're looking at operating margins. So huge advantage here for CrowdStrike. The next thing I wanted to look at is cash flow from operations to sales. I want to see how good these companies are in turning sales into cash flow from operations. And in this metric, again, CrowdStrike showing its dominance both in terms of the trend and the overall level. The trend, clearly you see CrowdStrike in the orange improving significantly, rising to 40.66%. Zscaler impressive as well, rising from less than 15% all the way up to 29.37%. But when you compare to CrowdStrike, it's behind. It's considerably behind. And the final metric I will compare these two cybersecurity stocks on is the forward price to earnings ratio. I want to see which stock is more expensive, which one is a better value. And looking at this metric, I see both of these stock valuations have come down considerably. They were both way more expensive in 2021, incredibly high valuations. They've both come down. However, Zscaler at a forward price to earnings ratio of 80.62 is way more expensive than CrowdStrike at a forward price to earnings ratio of 43.72. So you're paying a lower price for earnings with CrowdStrike than you are with Zscaler. And considering that CrowdStrike was better than Zscaler in a number of important crucial metrics and the stock price is cheaper, if I had to pick one of these two stocks to buy right now, it would be. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. It would be CrowdStrike stock. I would pick CrowdStrike stock over Zscaler stock. Okay, so that's all I've got for this video. As always, I truly appreciate your viewership. I know you could be doing a lot of things with your time, but you're choosing to watch this video, and I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I'm going to link to two other videos that I've done that I think you will also enjoy. So please go ahead and click on one of those, and I will see you over there. Thank you for watching.